Gabi ng Misteryo.
Hello at magandang gabi po sa kanilang lahat mga kaibigan at welcome po sa programang Gabi ng Misteryo sa DZRH Radio. Napanood ko ang pelikulang Disclosure Day. The film is directed by the one and only multi-awarded Steven Spielberg. It is about extraterrestrials being hidden by the government from the people. Ito naman po ang reactions ko regarding that movie. Number 1. Do you believe that those footages being shown in Disclosure Day movie are real? Yes, I do believe. May kasabihan nga, everything has a reason. Hindi gagawin ang pelikulang katulad ng Disclosure Day ng ganun-ganun lang. May mensahe yan. At ang mensahe niyan, hindi lang malalim kundi napakalalim. Kaya imulat ang inyong mga mata at gisingin ang inyong mga diwa. Number 2. What do you think why Steven Spielberg made the Disclosure Day a movie? Mind conditioning or preparing the human race to accept everything, especially the alleged plan for alien contact? Ang katulad ni Steven Spielberg na isang veterano at multi-awarded director with a very creative mind ay hindi mag-aaksaya ng pera at panahon. Yes, meron siyang gustong iparating that alien contact exists and has been existing for hundreds of years. Hindi lang mind conditioning kundi mind opening din. If a picture paints 1,000 words, a video speaks 1,000,000 words. Number 3. Do you think Steven Spielberg has direct communication with aliens considering that he made a lot of movies about extraterrestrials such as Close Encounter of the Third Kind, E.T., TV series Taken, etc.? Even yung kanyang movie na Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull is also an extraterrestrial story. I watched an interview with Steven Spielberg, and according to him, the source of his ideas are from documentaries and interviews of witnesses. Pero ito lang masasabi ko highly successful people are gifted. Just like tycoons who are also gifted, they will never reveal the secrets of their success. Kaya if alien contact is one of their secrets, they will keep it confidential. Number 4. Are you aware or do you feel that aliens or extraterrestrials are doing the abductions, or maybe they shifted to other means of modifying human DNA by inviting them to visit hidden alien bases around the world? Yes, I still feel that alien abductions still exist, and one of the kind and safest way is by inviting individuals to visit their bases around the world through dreams. Katulad ng mga multo, you have to be in the astral plane or what we call the spirit world para makadaupang palad mo sila, because extraterrestrials are also in a form of spirit. Nasa higher level nga lang, particularly in the 5th dimension. Kaya kung napanood nyo ang pelikulang Predator, mapapansin nyo yung extraterrestrial may cloaking ability. Biglang nawawala, biglang lumilitaw. Ganyan din ang mga sasakyan nila. May cloaking technology. Kaya, makikita nyo sa himpapawid, may lilitaw na UFO pagkatapos biglang mawawala. Number 5. Do you believe that humans have alien DNA that can be activated once they decided to show up in full real disclosure of their existence? No, I do not believe. Kasi kung may alien DNA tayo, then dapat kaya nating gawin ang mga nagagawa nila, ang mga abilities nila. Number 6. If they showed up, what will you do as an observer or seeker of the truth? Are you going to volunteer yourself to be chosen to meet them in person or be taken to the realm of existence? If they show up, I will welcome them. And if they invite me to be a volunteer, my answer is no. Kasi meron akong reason of existence or mission dito sa mundo. kailangan gampanan ko muna. And if I decide to be a volunteer, it must be done in a neutral ground with an audience for safety. Meaning, not in their base nor in their flying machine. Baka hindi na ako ibalik dito sa mundo, no? Kaya nga, if there are conflicts between two nations, peace talks are done in a neutral ground, not in their respective countries. Number 7. What do you think US and other powerful nations will do right after full disclosure? Would it be possible that they will change the global rules of engagement with alien beings, not as threat, but friends or brothers, that the human race evolved to higher awareness? Ito naman ang maisasagot ko dyan. In order to manipulate people, you have to keep them poor, you have to keep them hungry, you have to keep them uneducated, and you have to keep them afraid. Kaya sa tingin nyo, will they disclose it? Again, imulat ang inyong mga mata at gisingin ang inyong mga kamalayan. They will avoid creating panic. And last, number 8, any advice to everyone if they have UFO or alien sightings? Kung maka-experience kayo ng UFO sightings, don't panic. First, if you see one, meaning you are gifted, congratulations, welcome them. And second, sa tingin nyo gagawa ng masama yan? Kung may alien invasion, dapat matagal nang nangyari yan. Dapat wala ka na ngayon dyan sa kinalalagyan mo. Dapat hindi na ganito ang paligid natin. Kaya sa mga napapanood, napapakinggan o nababasa mo tungkol sa aliens or extraterrestrials, accept that they are not here to harm us and not to invade us. Instead, they help us grow. They are here not only to guide humans, but to keep our planet alive, habitable, and moving forward. Yun lang po mga kaibigan, pero bagong lahat, magandang gabi po sa mga staff ng Vandermeer Consulting at Cloud Staff, the #1 workplace in the country. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong panahon, sa inyong pakikinig. God bless po, magandang gabi po.
Gabi ng Misteryo. Gabi ng Misteryo.